How to install CAB Cumulative Update using DISM on your Windows. So hey everybody, welcome back. Today we will be guiding you on that. The first thing you need to understand is you cannot install a CAB file by double clicking on it. Rather, you have to use the DISM tool. So you can head over to your File Explorer, locate up your file. And the thing you need to do is you can use a third-party compression software or simply copy and paste into another location. So right click, once you select it, you can just go ahead and copy it. And once copied, you can head over to, for example, this PC, local disk C, and you can just go ahead and paste it here like this and continue and paste it here. Now, once that is done, next you can just go ahead and close this up, open up the start menu. You can here search for CMD and run your command prompt as an administrator. And here, once you do so, you can just go ahead and type in DISM. And then let me just, and space online space add dash package space and package path and write the package path number and just go ahead and do so. And then you can just go ahead and hit enter once you have typed in the pathway and everything like this. Once you've copied the path like package number and everything and paste it in here and hit .cab. It should be in .cab form. I will just leave the example in description. You can just go ahead and copy and paste it from there and copy and paste the location. After that, hit install and wait for the update to install. And after this process completes, it may take a while for the update to be completed. You will be prompted to restart your computer to finish the installing the updates, and that's all. It is that simple to install a CAB files in your Windows. So therefore, I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.